Tip 3, build a strong support network. Surround yourself with mentors, advisors, and like-minded entrepreneurs who can provide guidance and support. Their experiences can help you navigate the complexities of business ownership. So you've got the newsletters, the chapters, the mentors, the online community, the certified inspectors, the events, the social media, the webinars, the contact us. You are not alone. You have a ton of resources available to you. Connect with your target audience and customers through social media and network events. Careful about social media. I like to post and ghost. I like to post some valuable information and get the heck out. Building relationships in this way can lead to valuable partnerships and collaboration. Are you engaged with local real estate agents using LinkedIn? Don't just sell yourself. Don't go on LinkedIn and say, hey, I'm a home inspector. Would you please use me? You want to join the conversation. You can search for successful real estate agents, high-ranking, mid-ranking, low-performing, mid-performing, using Realtor.com or Zillow. There's a little filter in the search and connect with them. And what should you say on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram? Well, that's easy. You're doing a home inspection, right? Take a picture or a video of you performing an inspection and comment on the observation. It could be a defect or not, no longer than a minute. The algorithms for searches of content and things like they love original content. And there's nothing more robust, interesting, and original than the comments and observations made by a home inspector on a home that they are inspecting. And the value of that information connect with people who are interested in learning how their home works, learning how to maintain their home, saving home energy, making sure that the home stays healthy, that it's safe. That's what we all want. We all want to be in a home that's functioning, safe, and healthy. So you have this unique opportunity to educate people on those critical things that we all have in common about our homes.